Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges I'm saving for different categories or things throughout the year. So let's get started. We are first starting with our every Friday of 2025. This is the last Friday of September, which is $26. And this goes towards an extra payment towards debt. So let's see how much in total we are saving. So we have 20, 40, 50, 5, 60, 1, 2. So $62. Let's make sure that is right. 2, 12, 19, 26. Yes, $62. So I am going to add this to, hold on. Put that back in there for now. And if you watch my debt binder video, I was able to save $364 in that binder. Where's a pen? So we are going to add $62 to that. So let's see, a grand total extra payment for October will be $426. Yeah. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Yes, we are knocking this debt down. So that is for credit card number 2. So stay tuned for my next debt video, so I can show you my tracker and where I am with that. Okay, next we are going to weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And this is going towards my son's senior year. So I am rolling a D8 for each week. And we are saving 7, 5, 6, and 7. So $7. We was on a dollar streak for the longest. Shall we see how much total we have saved? So let's see. We have 150, 70, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4. $194, almost to $200. Look at that. Hey. I like that. All right, so next we are doing our icon savings. So it's $5 per icon created by Save With You. Each icon is $5. I think I just said that. Sorry, something just startled me. I'm like, what was that? You know how you be in the house alone and you just hear little things? Oh, I just scared myself. So this is $5 here. And this is also going towards my son's senior year. So let's put that $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. And let's see, so far we got 100, 220, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $225. Ooh, look at that, and it says 300. So we are getting closer and closer to finishing this. Perfect. And next we are doing Santa is Coming to Town. This is saving for Christmas. This is created by Mischief Managed Budgets in Champagne's Corner. And what I like to do is put $20 in here into this saving challenge book here. And we have completed several of these. Let's do this one. So this one I was rolling a D4. So let's load. Let's put the 20 here before I forget. 20 into the calculator. Get our D4. Oops. Let's just roll it here. So that is a 2. So minus 2. another 2, minus 2, minus 1, and next 3. So minus 3. So we have $12. So we finished this page. We finished the reindeer. Yeah, finished that one. Finish this page. Let's do 2 of these, which is 10. And we have $2 left. So let's go to the back here. And let's color in a 2. And that one is, that's $0. So that is the whole $20 going in for Christmas. And let's put that 20 in here. And let's count it up. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 2, 4, 6, 81. So $481. And that is correct because I am keeping track on this side. Where's my pen? So then plus 20, 481. Perfect. My goal is 500 in this book or in this binder because I do save for Christmas in my holiday binder. So that is perfect. So about just one more week and that'd be 500. Wow. I don't know. I might extend it a little bit, but I got other categories I need to start saving for next year. So it might be another, what am I doing? It might be another saving challenge for my son's graduation. All right. So the rest of the money we will put into, say, 2025 and 2025. This is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So we have $42. Let's see what we can do with 42. So let's go with, we did 30. Let's do this 29. And do we have a 13? Oh, we got a 13. So 29 and 13. Perfect. So let's see. Come on now. So 29 and 13. And this is saving for taxes for next year. Let's do, oh, almost did a 19. What I say, 13? Almost messed up. Perfect. Let's do 29, 13. Yes, 42. All right, 42. And should we see how much we have in here? I guess we can. I might can put another placeholder in here. All right, so we have 1,000 in the high yield savings. Well, all this is in the high yield savings. So 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 460, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $1,465. $1,465,000. Almost for a placeholder. I'll put the next placeholder when I get to 500. All right, gems, that is it. That is $100 put into my year of savings. I am proud of the progress. Everything is coming along. So I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.